If you've ever wanted to change the color of your WooCommerce buttons to better match your brand or make your site more visually appealing, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. No coding required. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Appearance and then select Customize. This opens the customization panel where you can change different elements of your theme in real time. Now, depending on the theme you're using, you might find the button color options in slightly different places. Some themes like Storefront or Botiga have a dedicated section called Buttons. Others place these controls under WooCommerce and then Buttons. Either way, look for the section that lets you modify button styles. Once you're inside the button settings, you'll see options for background color, text color, and hover color. The background color controls the main look of the button, while the text color determines how readable your label is. The hover color is what appears when someone moves their mouse over the button. It adds a nice touch of interactivity. Choose colors that fit your brand identity, but also make sure there's enough contrast between your text and background so users can read everything clearly. When you're happy with your design, click the Publish button at the top to save and apply your changes. And that's all there is to it. You've just customized your WooCommerce button colors to perfectly match your brand style. Small details like this can make your online store feel more cohesive and professional. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more WooCommerce customization tips.